Hi, welcome back. First off, on the Catalina 27 refit, there's the cup holder that I was polishing up the fittings or a couple videos ago, whatever. And yeah, it came out all right. Nice and shiny fittings. Wood looks okay. It's not perfect, but yeah, works all right. Put it in the box. Now I'm doing the cockpit table. I started off with the top because the top was pretty janky, so I put a piece of leather on there. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, cut it out, glued it down with some 3M Super 77, and worked okay. Now, another problem I had was the bottom part. It had some kind of a formica. It's really not formica. I don't know what it is, but it's cracked and discolored and stained. It wouldn't come up, so I'm going to put another piece on top of it. This is the stuff I'm using. It'll focus in on that. Yep. So it's just some PVC 0.02 thickness, and there's the company. Looks like Polymer Films, 888-357-3456, and yeah, it seems to be perfect. So I'm going to go with that. It's got two surfaces. It's got the back, which is a little dull, so I'm going to scratch that up with some 80 grit sandpaper before I put the glue on it. There's holes in the bottom there for the hardware. This is the little clip piece that goes there. The hinges go over here, and yeah, so in this piece here, the flip down strut that holds it together, that goes here and snaps into there. So shine that all up, put that together. When I'm done, so I marked the holes. I just put paint around the holes after I cut my piece out, put it down like there, and then pressed it in, and that made the impressions for the holes. So I can put that stuff in there. So the top of it's quite shiny, so I think that'll be all right. It's PVC. I'll put some wax on it. Maybe that'll keep it from yellowing, but I don't think it will. I think it'll be all right. We'll go with that. And I don't know if you can see the holes right here and here. Then I put some tape all the way around so I don't get the glue anywhere but on the white bits. And yeah, so I'll sand this down all the 80 grit just to score it and etch it up so that it has more surface area for the glue to hold on to. So I'm going to scratch this up, and then I'll hit it with acetone or some denatured alcohol, something to make sure I got all the wax and grease off of it. I'll do the same on this side. Then I'll spray the glue on this side on the table, spray the glue on the cover, let that go off tacky, put another coat on here, let that semi-tacky, like 30 seconds, and then starting at the back. Actually, I'll start at the front because that's more critical. I'll start it there and then work my way back very carefully, because once it's stuck, it's stuck. It's very difficult to reposition it once you put that shit down. So be careful, go slow, and then yeah, so that'll be the bottom. The top's already done. Here's a piece that attaches with a couple of these to the pedestal handhold. So that goes there. This piece that I shined up earlier will go there for the strut to clamp into. Here's this piece here. That goes there with the clamps. And The other clamps obviously go right there, and that attaches as well. So yeah, she'll be right. That works there. Let's go there, and that's pretty much it. Should work. If it doesn't, I'll pull it off and try something else, but I'm okay with that. I don't think you need to watch me put the glue on and stuff, but I'm going to scratch this up, then I'll wipe it off with a microfiber towel. Then I'm going to hit it with the denatured alcohol, maybe acetone, probably acetone, because that'll kind of dull it up as well. Same on this side here. Careful not to scratch the shiny bit. But, yeah. Too easy. All right, thanks for watching.